We need to ensure coverage around the cockpit windows. I've placed the last target near the intake. The scan looks good from here.
The inboard clearance is exactly 38 inches. Copy that, marking it down now.
I've marked the primary fracture point here on the fuselage. Okay, I'm tagging the nose section now. Check the wing root. Significant stress cracks here. It's worse than we thought.
Hold up, I found something near the insignia here.
All right, I'm slowing down. Is it the marker?
Bring the next section up, watch the tail clearance.
Got it. Securing the joint now.
Check the alignment on the lower spar before we lock it down.
Roger that. I've got this section secured.
The contour looks correct.
The fuselage patch looks good.
We use the Spec 4 material.
Great. Now let's focus on securing the tail struts.
Got it. Tail struts next.
The caliper reads exactly 42.5 inches. Make a note of that.
42.5 inches. Noted.
Okay, this one's full. Where to next? Just leave it by the exit for now. We need the next support section aligned with frame 42. Okay, I've got the layout marked with the blue tape here. Clear the area below. We're lowering the beam.
Copy, looking good on this end, secure it.
Lower it slowly, watch the hydraulics. Okay, it's settling in place now. Grab the drill, let's secure this corner.
We need more slack on the yellow run.
Hold on, I'm securing the PEX below. Check the line right here, B. Look straight. Need another inch on this side.
The space is exactly what we envisioned. Imagine this as the future Great Hall.
Check the fitting on the lower strut.
Looks good. The tolerances match the schematic.
All right, pull the tape to the 8 foot mark.
Got it. Should I spray the corner?
Keep that line straight right there. Set the rivet. Easy now, hold it right there. See the chalk line? Got it, lining it up now.
A little higher on the starboard side.
Got it.
Clear to rivet.
Radio check, structural support gamma engaging.
Confirmed. Panel secure on this end. How are the nook measurements looking?
Check the alignment on the terrace cut. Reading 4.2 meters, exactly on the laser line.
Good, let's mark the next window section.
Easy now, easy. Pull the left line. Little higher, watch the stabilizer. Okay, bring it down slow. Keep that line straight around the insignia. Almost there, watch the overspray.
Check the alignment on section 4. Looks good from here. 22 inches to the seam. Securing the forward strut now.
Easy now, watch the gap. Looks level, just a bit lower on your side. All right, setting it down. All right, bring it in slow. Clear on the vacuum pressure. Looks good, starting the trim now. Watch the cable coming off that reel.
Got it. We need more slack up here.
I'm pleased with the progress, but let's ensure the lighting integration here is seamless.
Understood.
We'll finalize the cable runs this afternoon.
Does this match the blueprint for the island?
Yeah, the plumbing lines up perfectly with the marks you made.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, easy now, sets right here. Make sure the membrane overlaps the flange.
Got it. Is this height okay for the stone? Okay, lift it slightly on your side.
Like this?
Perfect, hold it there while I drill.
How's that brightness level looking?
Perfect for blue hour. Go ahead and secure the plate.
Set the grade rod at 12 feet. 12 now. Adjusting to 12 now. Check the terrace edge clearance. Confirmed. Keep it moving on the left. Level it out over here. Watch the hose, almost done. The glass looks perfect. Just one more panel. One more panel. We really did it.
Okay, bring it up slowly on the left. Copy that, watching the clearance now. Looks good from here, lock it in.
Watch the edge.
Okay, set it down slowly right there.
Clear.
Easy now, watch the corner.
Got it. Bring it down slowly.
Right there, perfect alignment with the rib.